Hello dear viewers, welcome to our Learn It All Academy Laboratories Limited channel, and here, as we promised, we will give the answers to all your questions related to CAD. So I have received one question by one of our very precious viewers. His name is Subhans Thakur and he is from Dr. Sudhir Chandra Sur Degree Engineering College. So what he asked is, as when we draw in CAD, we usually see these kinds of on-screen suggestions like specify first point. Also you can see that X and Y point locations are also being seen on screen just beside the cursor. Also when we give a point for creating a line, after that see the length of the line is being seen continuously on the screen. Also the degree or the angle of elevation of the line is also continuously being seen on screen. Also some kinds of instructions like specify next point or something are being seen on screen. So these kinds of instructions are usually seen on the CAD screen, but somehow some people face a problem that in their CAD sometimes they don't see these things on screen, like the length, like the degree and etc. the instruction, they don't see these things on screen. Sometimes things happen like this, that they are seeing these things, suddenly one day they don't see these again. So why these problems happen? Today we will talk about that, why these problems happen. Actually it is being caused by mistakenly switching on a command, or rather I say switching off a command. Actually mistakenly you just switch off that command. That is a configuration command which you shouldn't deal with if your knowledge is not enough for that. So sometimes we actually mistakenly switch off that command and these things go away. So firstly I will show you that how the things look when these things are disabled. Now see, I have disabled that default things, the default settings, and now whenever I will try to create a line, see no suggestion, no length, no nothing, no degree is being seen here on screen. So the problem here is being caused by disabling the very operation. So how to enable it back? Well, we enable it back with the same command we just used to disable it. The command is, I am typing it for your better understanding. The command is dynmod. So by using this command you can enable or disable this setting. Well, you should also see that usually whenever you type a command it appears here on screen, but now whatever command you type it will not appear here, rather it will appear in the command bar only. Like I am typing line command, L-I-N-E, usually it appears on screen, but now it's being appeared on the command bar only. So let's retrieve the previous settings or the default settings where you can see these things on screen just by using this command dynmod. Now it is asking for a value. Just remember that 0 is for disabling. 0 means disabling. Whenever you are putting 0 here, it will disable that command. But if you put some value which is greater than 0, it will enable the command. But again, remember, putting different values will turn on different settings. The default setting for my case is 3. So I am entering 3 and pressing enter key. Now the command is enabled again with its default settings. I am showing you, just typing the line comment here. See, these things are back. See, the command is also being shown on screen, which was not the case in our last settings. Now, what I will advise you, that you try to put 3 after the dynamode command. You just type dynamode, then you press 3, you just enter 3 and press the enter key. This will solve your issue. If it doesn't solve your issue, say you are using a different version of CAD. I am using 2018, you are using some different version of CAD. In that case, you may try 1 or 2. If you are entering 3 and it's not working as you wanted it to be, you can try 2 and 1 also. But it will not be required. I believe that 3 will solve your problem. So these are actually configuration commands. You should not touch this. Actually, you should not alter anything of this, because that will definitely lock your CAD settings and cause different problems while drawing. So once again, I will request you to just enter those commands which you know about. Okay, so this was the solution for your question. I hope that this will solve your issue. Again, what I am telling you, that whatever problem you may face, you can just reach to us using this WhatsApp number. Note down this number, and whatever problem regarding CAD, automation and microcontrollers, these things you face, and electrical engineering also, you can write your problem to us. We will try to give answer to your problem as soon as possible. So if you liked our video, you can please press the like button and let us know your support. Also, if you think that there are some modifications should be made to our video, you can write that to us. And one important thing is that, as our last video session was done using that mobile CAD software, that was actually narrated in Bengali. Some of our dear viewers reported us that they don't know Bengali, so they asked us to make those videos in either English or Hindi. So I will request you all to just comment here which language you want. If you want Hindi, I will make those videos in Hindi again and re-upload them. If you want in English, then we will make it in English. So please let us know which language you prefer the most. Please write those down in our comment box, and the language which will be selected by most of you, we will make the video in that language. Once again, thank you all for being with us. Thank you all for supporting us. And if you want your notifications to be reached to you sooner than others, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.